What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front seat switch button on this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need this part or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. To remove this button, I'm just going to use a trim tool. Get on the back side, pry it forward. You could also use a screwdriver or a plastic trim tool. Slide it forward like that. Here's the old button. Here's the new button from 1aauto.com. The shape is the same. If you flip it over, the back side is the same. Has the same positions that retain to the switch itself. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. To install the button, just line it up and press it on.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.